Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to check your shared highlights activity on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily view everything you've shared in your highlights, so you can keep track of your favorite moments and manage your content with confidence. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Instagram page, where all your posts, stories, and highlights are displayed. Next, look to the top right corner of your profile page. You'll see the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on this icon to open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select your activity. This section is designed to help you manage and review everything you've done on Instagram, from your time spent on the app to the content you've shared. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Content You Shared. Under this heading, you'll see an option called Highlights. Tap on Highlights to access a complete list of all the stories you've saved to your highlights. Here, you can view every highlight you've created, along with the stories included in each one. This makes it easy to review your shared memories, see what's visible to your followers, and even decide if you want to update, add, or remove any stories from your highlights. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can quickly access your shared highlights activity and keep your Instagram profile looking just the way you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.